Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to take off your Acura Integra front bumper using an easy method. First, ensure you have a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool ready. Always work on a level surface with your parking brake engaged for safety. We'll begin by carefully removing the plastic clips that connect the bumper to the fender liners, usually found near the wheel wells. This initial step is crucial for accessing the main attachment points. Next, move to the underside of the bumper. You'll find several screws and plastic clips securing it to the undercarriage, typically near the splash guard. Use your 10mm socket for the screws and the trim tool for the clips. After that, focus on the grille. It's usually held in place by a few clips or screws. Gently release these, being mindful not to break any tabs. Double check for any less obvious fasteners in this upper section. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: after tackling your car, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle your home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's address the sides. Inside each wheel well, you'll find a few more bolts that secure the bumper to the car's frame. Remove these using your socket wrench. Once those are out, gently pull the sides of the bumper outwards, away from the vehicle. They should pop free from their mounting brackets. With all fasteners detached, you can now carefully pull the entire front bumper straight off the car. Take your time to avoid scratching your paint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.